What's your name?
My name is Maksudur Rahman Mahi.
Okay. Can you share some of your experiences, what you faced?
Okay, I sat on the IELTS exam on October 28, and I took my preparation from the IELTS American Academy, and I grabbed a good score. I guess it's overall 6.5, and I prepared not so well, but it helped me a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, did the academy help you?
Yes, our Mustafa sir and everyone helped me a lot to grab this score, and everyone just inspired me. So that was a great motivation for me for the IELTS test.
Okay. Do you want to say something about your mock test?
Okay, I gave almost 6 to 7 mock tests on this academy, and it increased my confidence. So I think it helped me a lot.
Do you think it's really better for the students who live in Satkhira city?
Yes, definitely. As there is not sufficient academy or any institution for IELTS preparation, so I think who live in Satkhira or who can't go outside Satkhira, they can take preparation from this academy. It will be a great opportunity for them.
Okay. Do you recommend them?
Yes, I always recommend them this academy because it's very helpful and trustworthy, and the sir is very friendly and always try to help us. So I think it's a great place for them to take preparation for their test.
Okay. So, okay, that's all.